Hey everybody, it's Psychic Hunter Dave. I'm just getting ready. I've got a Zoom call, so I just wanted to get all set up. Um, Today's again overcast is supposed to. I keep looking at the wrong place. I'm sorry. This is the camera over here. Um, One of the things that's really interesting about today is the fact, like I said, that it's going to become sunnier out for a little while. Thank God. We're getting these sort of mixed days now, and this means it means that it ushers in cooler weather, which is not my favorite, but we got to do what we got to do. We got to keep plugging along. Intense energy with this month. We're in judicial, we're in Libra. We're going to move toward that full moon in Aries, which is Mars. Mars, right now, as I said, is in Scorp. Got to be very careful. I know it's difficult most of the time to be diplomatic, but right now diplomacy rules. It's just you just have to sort of walk away from it all because if you don't, you're going to find yourself in serious hot water. I don't need to reiterate the signs that I've already spoken about that are going to go through this, but there's a lot of them. There are some really great things too, though. There is that grand trine, between Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces that can actually be very, very good. And sometimes what we believe is our destiny of trying to control our lives or secure our lives is not our destiny at all. It is actually more to do with, the direction that the universe is going to say, hey, listen, this is a door opening for you. Jump in it because this is where you're meant to go. And we all go through this. We go through potential offers and you know, we step away from, we step back from, et cetera, et cetera. And it's not to say that you can't replicate or you can't correct, you can't change, you can't do, because a lot of times in life you can. So it's just being able to recognize that. But anyway, like I said, today's an overcast day so far here in Toronto, but it's supposed to become a little nicer as we sort of move on. I have to get kind of used to this looking to the left here because I'm so used to looking above. um, One of the other things I was going to say is that, this whole directive thing in regards to each and every one of us with objectives, this gives us a little bit of a clarification because since June we had Saturn in Aries. And of course, now Saturn's moved back to Pisces to correct, to actually help us resolve a lot of things that aren't resolved in each and every one of our own independent lives. And then, of course, we also have Neptune on its way back. As we get through November, though, those two go direct again. Excuse me. And they start to move and they progress forward back into Aries, where they'll stay indefinitely for a very long time. Saturn for 3, Neptune there for 16. So, all of you Aries, excuse me, or anybody with strong Aries placement, make sure you're aware that Neptune can make you feel a little loopy, but you'll get over it. You'll get through it. Almost done. I'm just watching the time and I'm choking here from having too much coffee this morning. But anyway, I wish you guys all the best. I'm around. You want to get a reading? Give me a call. Text me. I'll see you soon. Cheers.